Jay's going down below.
Ooh. We've got the clearance for this?
Yep. We got the same amount of clearance as Jay.
It's like, we just like flooded everything. Oh, that would suck. Kind of funny.
Oh, this was the one that we had a hard time going up.
Yeah. I think we got it. Just follow his line.
Yeah.
Ooh. Three-wheeling it.
Three-wheeling it.
Just follow the leader.
I gotta give him time and space, though. Ooh!
Whoa! What the?
He just slid. It's fine. Okay. So do I need to go passenger?
Yeah, passenger.
Passenger. Okay.
I think maybe straight.
How am I doing with that tree trunk?
Go a little driver, just a little bit. Ooh, I think straight.
I can reach my hand out and touch it, and you need to go driver.
I don't know. You're gonna want to go driver a bit.
Yep. We did it easier than he did. We're through.
Who's this car? Okay,
Oh yeah, he didn't hit anything.
I know, I saw him slip. I bet you at least was like
a nice little straight down on it.
Yeah, I didn't go quite far. I was over you. You're fine. You didn't hit anything. Afraid of?
Maybe if we follow Jay, we'll be okay.
Yeah. So we go our passenger. See what he's gonna do here. He's staying hard. Drive passenger.
He's trying to just form a straight line. Ooh.
It's okay.
Yum. Okay.
Oh God, I feel like.
Okay. We're off the bar.
Yep.
Oh, maybe.
It's all good. Slow.
Home steady wins the race.
Right. Keep an eye on that rock for me on the passenger side.
You're good.
Can I go passenger?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a teeny.
Okay, go straight maybe.
Straight.
Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
we got it.
You got past it.
We got it. Down is easy.
I gotta wait a second. We turned on my defrost and it completely fogged up my window. I can't see.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Turned on his defrost.
Space to get through.
Ooh, he was three-wheeling.
He doesn't do that a lot. He's doing three wheels. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do the same. Oh, okay. We did it through easier than he did.
Long car for the win.
Yeah.
You get through without banging anything?
Me bumpered it. Yeah.
I remember we drove our bumper.
We did. Remember we ran into that rock?
Oh no, that's at the ferry.
No, it was this. Remember we were coming up and we like...
Maybe.
No, it was up there.
It's up there, yeah, it's not this one.
This is slippery. I
Yeah.
just want to full send.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll be good. Not even sleeping.
Matt,